take a little flight with the Mantis Q. And what we're gonna do here is, I've never had a chance to actually check this battery, the flight time. You know, when this thing came on, it was advertising all this flight time, you know, 31 minutes or something. So I've broken this battery enough to do this test. You know, I don't do it on the first try. I've charged it a few times, and Josh had it at least once. I'm sure he flew it at least once, if not twice. So the battery's been, you know, charged and discharged like 6 times now. So that's good enough to get your test in. So we're going to start some video. Now, I'm not going to, if it runs 31 minutes, this is not going to be a 31-minute video. Okay, I'll chop it up, but we are going to see what kind of flight time we can get out of this thing. So I'm going to start some video. Let's see here. Okay, video is running. So let's take off. Well, I'm down to 52% of battery, and it's only been flying for 7 minutes. You'll be able to see that there. If you can. But, yeah. That sure as hell don't seem like it's going to be 31 minutes to me, so. I am not, because you know the low battery is going to go off at like 30% or something of that nature. We'll see. We'll see. Damn, there goes some big giant geese that are way bigger than the mantis. Okay. I'm having trouble getting this journey mode to work again. I don't know why. The last time I was out with it, it worked great. This time it doesn't want to seem to go back and up. That's what it's supposed to do. Let's try it again. Okay, it seems to be working. I think you need to have it a little higher and the camera pointed down for it to work properly. You can't have the camera pointing straight and have the journey mode work. It just won't. It just wants to go back straight. I think having the camera pointed down makes it know that that's what you want to do. Okay, well, it's coming back. It's almost back now. So the journey mode works good, but you just have to have it set right. That's all. And it comes right back to where it took off from. But I'm telling you, there's no way in hell we're going to make this we're going to make this 30 minutes of flight time. No way. No way, Jose. Because I'm down to 33% battery and the video's been running for 12 minutes. So that's not happening. This thing does fly good, guys. It just, the bird is good. It's the camera that's not that good. They really mucked up on this thing, putting this crappy camera on here. Okay, we're at almost 15 minutes of flight time, or recording time. Okay, the low battery warning just went off, as you can hear that. To 24%, so there's no way in hell you're gonna get 30 minutes out of this thing. It would have to be the most ideal of conditions. I'm talking, I don't even know what those would be, you know, like zero gravity or something, I don't know. Like 1% humidity, I don't know, something. I mean, I don't really think I was pushing it that hard, to be honest with you, so. Okay, well, I don't want to wreck the battery because this is my second one. I heard first one already took a crap, so I don't want to destroy this one. It's down to 22%, so I'm going to land it. All right, guys, there you go. Mantis Q. Stopping the video now. 17 minutes. That's far from 31 minutes. So maybe a couple more charges up with the battery. I mean, it's cool today. It's like, but it's 45. I mean, it's not 5 below zero or nothing like that. But, yeah, that's, I mean, it's okay. I mean, 17 minutes, 18, 20 minutes flight time is okay. But it's not what they advertised when it came out. They advertised 31 minutes. So that's a big difference. All right, guys. I'll talk to you later. Have a nice day.